Welcome back, my dear. If this is your first time here, this space is dedicated to women who choose composure over chaos, clarity over confusion, and self-respect over emotional chasing. Today's conversation is about a shift that changes everything after heartbreak. Not a tactic, not a performance, a psychological recalibration that quietly transforms how you see yourself and how others experience you. The moment a woman rebuilds her identity from within, she stops trying to be chosen. That is when she becomes magnetic. Before we begin, subscribe and turn on your notifications. This space is for women who are becoming emotionally steady, self-led, and quietly powerful. Something changed the moment that relationship ended. It wasn't just the loss of a person or a future you had imagined. It was the quiet, unsettling realization that you no longer recognize the woman looking back at you in the mirror. You feel heavy, perhaps a bit invisible, and fundamentally disconnected from the spark that used to define your presence. Heartbreak has a way of stripping layers off your identity until you feel like a ghost in your own life. But there is a specific kind of beauty that only emerges from this exact type of shattering. It is not the loud, desperate beauty of someone trying to be noticed. It is the magnetic, grounded elegance of a woman who has decided to return to herself. Right now, your days likely feel like a cycle of internal noise. You are overthinking every conversation, checking your phone with a hollow hope that leads to deeper exhaustion, and wondering how you became so reactive. There is a profound sense of being replaced or forgotten that makes you want to scream for validation. This emotional fog isn't just sadness. It is the result of your self-concept being tied to someone else for too long. When they left, they took your definition of home with them. You are currently navigating the world with a dysregulated nervous system and a fractured sense of worth, which is why no amount of expensive skincare or new clothes seems to fix the way you feel. The truth is, heartbreak didn't just break your heart, it disrupted your internal architecture. In psychology, we call this a loss of self-concept clarity. You have spent months or years adjusting your personality, your schedule, and your emotional state to fit the needs of a partnership. When that structure collapses, your brain enters a state of high alert, seeking external reassurance to prove you still exist and still matter. This is why you feel the urge to pose for attention or check their social media. You are hunting for a reflection of yourself in the eyes of the person who hurt you. But magnetism cannot coexist with desperation. True beauty is a byproduct of internal stability, and you cannot be mesmerizing until you are no longer seeking permission to be. The first step in your restoration is the reclamation of your identity. You must begin to decouple your value from the narrative of the breakup. This requires a transition from being a discarded partner to becoming an active individual. Start by identifying the interests, tastes, and habits that existed before you met them, or better yet, the ones you suppressed to keep the peace. When you intentionally choose your own preferences, from the books you read to the way you spend your Tuesday nights, you begin to thicken the walls of your self-concept. A woman with a solid identity is naturally magnetic because she isn't looking around the room to see if she's doing it right. She is simply existing in her own truth. Simultaneously, you must address the physical manifestations of your grief through nervous system regulation. Heartbreak lives in the body. It's the tightness in your chest and the shallow breathing that keeps you in a state of fight or flight. High-value beauty is rooted in a calm, alert state. When your nervous system is regulated, your eyes are brighter, your posture is effortless, and your energy feels safe to be around. This isn't about spa days, it's about the discipline of sleep, hydration, and rhythmic movement. By lowering your cortisol levels, you move away from the frantic energy of the scorned woman and into the poised presence of a woman who is in command of her own biology. This leads to a refinement of your personal standards and grooming. After a breakup, it is common to either neglect oneself entirely or to use beauty as a weapon of revenge. Neither is sustainable. The most powerful shift occurs when grooming becomes an act of self-respect rather than a performance for an audience. When you dress with intention and maintain your appearance with a high level of detail, you are signaling to your subconscious that you are worth the effort. This isn't about following trends. It is about finding a signature style that reflects your current evolution. A well-groomed woman who moves with quiet dignity creates a vacuum that naturally pulls people toward her. Beyond identity and the physical self, the transformation into a magnetic woman requires a radical audit of your social environment and your mental diet. After heartbreak, there is a tendency to surround yourself with voices that mirror your pain, sad music, bitter conversations, or content that validates your victimhood. While grieving is necessary, staying in that frequency for too long creates an aura of heaviness that is the antithesis of magnetism. Rebuilding your identity means becoming highly protective of your energy. You must curate your surroundings to reflect the woman you are becoming, not the one who was left behind. This involves setting firm boundaries with friends who want to dwell on the past and intentionally seeking out environments that challenge you to grow. A woman who is going somewhere is infinitely more attractive than a woman who is stuck in a loop of what went wrong. Furthermore, you must develop what I call sovereign curiosity. This is the practice of looking at the world, not through the lens of your loss, but through the lens of your own potential. When you were in that relationship, your curiosity was likely directed outward, monitoring his moods, his schedule, and his needs. To become magnetic again, you must turn that curiosity inward. Ask yourself, what have I always wanted to learn but felt I didn't have the space for? Whether it is a new language, a complex skill, or a deeper understanding of your own psychology, the act of learning creates a natural glow that cannot be replicated by makeup. There is a specific light in the eyes of a woman who is intellectually engaged and pursuing a goal that has nothing to do with romantic validation. This ambition is not aggressive. It is a quiet, steady flame that signals you are the protagonist of your own story. The final pillar of this transformation is the mastery of your social grace. Heartbreak often makes us feel like we have to prove something when we enter a room. We want to show that we are winning the breakup. However, true magnetism is found in the absence of that pressure. It is the ability to be present in a room without needing to dominate it or be the center of attention. This is achieved through active listening and genuine observation. When you are no longer preoccupied with your own internal drama, you become a safe harbor for others. You notice the small details. You offer thoughtful insights. You move with a relaxed pace. This shift from anxious performer to composed observer is what creates an air of mystery. People are naturally drawn to those who seem at peace with themselves, especially in a world that is increasingly loud and reactive. We must redefine what it means to be beautiful in this new era of your life. In the immediate aftermath of a breakup, beauty is often used as a shield, a way to protect the ego or hurt the one who hurt you. But the magnetism we are discussing is a sustainable internal radiance. It is the beauty of a clear conscience and a regulated heart. It is the way your skin settles when you are no longer living in a state of chronic anxiety. It is the way your voice carries a different weight because you are no longer pleading for understanding. This version of beauty is mesmerizing because it feels authentic. It isn't a mask you put on to hide your pain, but a reflection of the strength you gained by walking through it. A magnetic woman understands that her value is a fixed point, not a fluctuating market price based on someone else's opinion. This realization changes your entire vibe, as the modern wellness trends suggest. You move away from spectacle beauty, which is designed to be looked at, and toward radiant well-being, which is designed to be felt. When you walk into a room, people shouldn't just think you look good. They should feel that you are good. This distinction is the secret to becoming unforgettable. You are not just a woman who recovered from a breakup. You are a woman who used heartbreak as a catalyst to prune away everything that wasn't truly you, leaving behind a presence that is pure, potent, and impossible to ignore. You are no longer the woman who waits for a text or searches for a reason to feel enough. You are no longer reactive to the whims of people who were only meant to be a chapter, not the whole book. By rebuilding your identity and mastering your emotional state, you have moved from the periphery of your life back to the center. You are composed, you are selective, and you are finally authentically magnetic. The woman you have become is far more powerful than the woman you used to be. If you are a subscriber, settle in. It's going to be good. And if you aren't yet, now is the time to subscribe. I promise to make you feel understood. I'll see you in the next video.